So, I finally did it. I built my first PC. Shout out to my boy, Philly with the Springs, and Nick and Nasty for helping me put it together. I would say it's like a mid PC build, but I spent way more than I was hoping for, which always happens. But I am very happy with it, aesthetically and performance-wise.
Alright, so for the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. We're using a Corsair iCUE AIO cooler. The motherboard is an Asus ROG STRIX 650. For memory, we're using Corsair Vengeance. It's all encased within a Corsair 4000D airflow. And the GPU is an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX.
I did also purchase a Sony a6600. It's been a long time since I had a camera. My DSLR broke like 7 years ago. Whack. I actually got really lucky. I saw it on OfferUp on my last day before leaving SoCal. And I just reached out, and the guy also had a really nice lens. I also picked up a Sony 16-55 2.8, which I'm filming with right now. I thought, since I got a PC build and the camera, I might start streaming, because why not? Also, for my birthday, my sister got me this. It's a Samsung Q9U. I bought the arm by itself, and I thought it would make me sound cooler, but it doesn't at all. It's just really clear.
What I say? Rachel!
That's it.
What I say?